everybody, this is Ashley with Ward Off Clutter. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe, push that like button, keep watching, and welcome to my Clean With Me video. Today, obviously, I'm starting with my bedroom, and yes, we have the purple mattress, and yes, it is amazing. For those of you who are deciding on what mattress to get, this is one I would definitely suggest. There are others that I've heard that are really good, like the Lull, and others that I've heard of, but definitely the purple mattress has been wonderful for my husband and I. And this is the king size mattress, for those of you who are wondering. This is not sponsored, by the way. And yes, that's my cat Lily in the background. She has to join me on everything. And because this is fall, I decided to get our flannel sheets out, so it's getting a little cooler out there. So I did recently clean this duvet, so there was no need to obviously clean it again. This is Kona's bed. I put a towel on her bed and replace it every once in a while because she is a messy puppy. She gets into everything. So she gets dirty feet all the time. And the cover on this dog bed is kind of a pain to wash all the time. This is our playroom. This room wasn't too dirty. It was just more just me picking up. Colin loves his monster trucks. Oh my gosh. And what I'm picking up on the table there is actually, he calls it his mud bogging truck. And it's kinetic sand. That stuff gets kind of dirty, actually, surprisingly. I actually hope to get some sort of sofa sleeper in this playroom someday. And I use this antibacterial spray on just about everything. It's worked wonders for me. It doesn't streak, and I also use a microfiber towel for the playroom especially. This kitchen set actually used to be Bella's ever since she was 3. Yeah, I also use this antibacterial spray on wood and TVs and pretty much anything you can think of. It's awesome on just about anything. Isn't my boy so cute? And again, if you're new here, please subscribe and push that like button. And laundry is not one of my favorite things to do, but one of us has got to do it. My husband and I have switched off in the past and have decided he does the dishes and I do the laundry. However, this weekend, he was out hunting, so I decided to get this place cleaned up and do everything. And one of these days I will do a before and after video of our laundry room. We actually redid the floors, put a new cabinet in there, and we still need to put up some wall cabinets, but that'll be yet to come. Dishes time! And as you can tell, we have no hardware on our kitchen cabinets, but don't worry. I recently, finally, after 5 years, have convinced my husband to get hardware on our cabinets. Isn't that amazing? I might do a video on that too, either on this channel or our family vlogging channel, but just wait and see, I guess. Which, by the way, our family vlogging channel is in the description down below. And I just use a antibacterial wipe for the counters. I got these wipes at Walmart, and if you have any questions as to where I got anything that I'm using, I'll put it in the description down below, or just comment. Obviously, I'd recently made some cupcakes for a friend for her birthday, and I don't normally like to put these in the dishwasher, even though I'm sure they are dishwasher safe. And to clean my sinks, I literally just use dish soap and a scrubbing sponge and scrub it everywhere. And yes, I love my succulents. I've actually learned how to propagate my succulents, and it's actually been kind of a hobby for me. I'm liking it, and I'll give them to friends and family, and people love them. And they're super easy to take care of too, kind of like a cactus. You really don't have to water them very often. Anyways, back to cleaning the sink. I use a paper towel to dry off the top of my sink, and I know there's still soap in the sink. I do eventually rinse that out. I just don't show it here. So this stuff I actually got on Amazon. I can actually put it in the description down below, and so you guys can buy it if you want. It's awesome stuff. It's like this clay type ingredient in there that actually helps scrub the top of your stovetop, and it's amazing. I use it every time I clean my stove, and it's just so squeaky clean. And then I dry it off with a microfiber towel, and it looks brand new. I'll also go on with the microfiber towel and clean around the knobs, because if you guys ever pick those things up, it's so nasty under there sometimes. This is the table we normally eat at, so it's always the messiest and always the dirtiest. There's crud on there all the time, every day. This is Colin's seat. I actually have a different seat, a bar stool for him, just because I'm afraid he's gonna fall backwards if he sits on one of the wooden stools. I think I'm tiring out the dogs with all of my cleaning. I have been decorating for fall, and coming soon I'll be decorating for Halloween too. I'm so excited. Halloween's one of my favorite holidays. Oh, and this is just a piece of wood that I put some contact paper on. And the contact paper keeps it nice and clean. I just have to wipe it down. It does get really dirty really fast though, for some reason. I think it's just because it's on top of Kona's cage there, but it really helps for a tabletop. And here I use some Pledge spray on our wood tables, and just watch when I scrub the big coffee table with Pledge and wipe it down. It's so nice and clean and shiny. I love it. And that is a real wood table that we got at a consignment store, surprisingly. This pillow that's on the table there, Kona has a tendency to get after things that she wants and destroy them, so I ended up fixing it. And one thing that my husband Russ and I have talked about is replacing that table. It's a hand-me-down, it's old, it's wobbly, it's been a wonderful table, but we might get a new one sometime soon. And again, getting ready for fall, getting the fall colors out. Oh, and because it's fall and almost, a couple months away from Thanksgiving, I decided to extend the table. It also helps for this tablecloth to fit on it better. I love these kind of tables too that extend. And these floors we actually just redid last fall. Our old floors were the vinyl that looked like wood, but it wasn't wood. It was just a big huge sticker on your floor. The old floors had such an orange, gross color to them that it made our house just look so dark and, well, orange. I'm so glad we changed it into these new laminate pergo flooring. It's still not real wood, and that's just fine. They're scratch proof, waterproof. They're so much nicer than our old floors, by far. I tell you what though, with 2 dogs and a cat and, well, 2 females in the house, we accumulate hair on this floor so much. Hair, dust, you name it. Dirt, dogs, ugh. So I'm using a Swiffer sweeper. I ran out of the liquid spray, so I got some old floor cleaner spray that we got a long time ago with the old floors, and this stuff works really well. It actually makes it really nice and shiny and still smells good. I'll put it in the link in the description down below if you're interested in what I used. Time to get ready for autumn. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite seasons because I love these colors, and I love the smells and just everything about fall and autumn, and also Halloween, of course. Here I'm actually transferring out the old summer flowers, taking out the greens. I'm still going to use the greens. But this little pot, I guess you'd call it, this little container is a little wood container. It has some metal trim on it. It's really cute. I just fill it with some pebbles just to keep the flowers and arrangements in place. They don't really stay in place very well, but it just helps them stick better. You can actually fill it up a little bit more, and I could, but I ran out of pebbles. But I start with the greens. I actually, for the color palette that I wanted to use this year for fall decorations, I still like the greens, but I wanted to bring just a little bit of the autumn colors out in this little arrangement. I love cotton balls, the old like cotton plants. I think it's super neat how this trend kind of came out. I was going to add a few more different kind of leaf or flower arrangement, but I need to go to the store for that. And I was going to use this little golden pot, and I didn't have enough flower arrangements for that either. So here I got the flowers from the store. They were these kind of like linen, but like a pinkish hueish type linen color. Still had the fall colors. They matched the leaves very well. You literally just place it in very evenly. And then to add to the white, I found these other cute little flowers, all from the dollar store. Be surprised at what you can find there. I love these little flowers because they were just cute. I felt like the white just added to the simplicity of it. Anyways, you guys, welcome to my channel again, and thank you for watching. This has been my Clean With Me Autumn DIY video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys again on my next video. Happy cleaning and happy tidying, you guys.